Welcome to Let's Talk Nifty, where we look at what Nifty and Bank Nifty are going to do on a given trading day. So I have the Nifty chart in front of me, and it's become a very well market to trade. Yesterday it did trade according to expectation. It went up and almost hit our target as well. But then in the second half there was selling, and it's kind of a indecisive market now. Why I'm saying that? Because now even if we gap up around 19,500, we are gapping up into resistance zone, right? So for me, market is increasingly becoming sell. The only thing that will change if it's gaps up above this level and then makes a candlestick pattern here and then moves up, which it can lead to 19,604. And the downside, if it gaps down below the support line of 19,344 to 19,368, which is becoming quite a large support area, then it's safer to sell and makes a candlestick pattern. Then it's safer to sell. Otherwise, it's there are too many supports here. So this could be, if it gaps down or opens flat, then it could come down and take support here again. So the best way to trade this market, according to me, is reduce your quantity to 1/3 or 1/4 of what you usually do, because the risk reward ratio is quite less when we till we come out of the trading range. Why is this? Because if I go to daily chart, you can see that the market has been in a very small range. So it's been inside this two candles for quite some time now. So that's why we are experiencing this kind of a movement. Now, if we go to Bank Nifty is giving a much more pronounced sell signal, right? And if we go to 15 minutes, we can see that the market is really trending down, right? So again, here also, on the upside, more resistance areas are getting formed. So I prefer to sell Bank Nifty today as my trade. I don't prefer to trade in Nifty today, right? If I get a good candle in Bank Nifty for selling, that's what I'm looking for. Of course, if it gaps down, that would be the best scenario to trade Bank Nifty. You can enter after the first 5-minute low. If it opens flat, then again we can sell. If it opens gap up, now here's the problem, right? So there are so many resistances here, so many. So you have one resistance here now, you have one resistance here now. So it's every 100 point there's resistance. While on the downside, it's much more smoother. It was reflected in yesterday's movement also. While it went up laboriously, but on the way down, it was a good fall. So I entered somewhere here, and I covered it at the. I'm not carrying any positions. Well, on the Nifty, I was long in the morning, and in the Bank Nifty, I was short in the afternoon. So both are again going at tangents to each other, and so for my preferred trade today is to short Bank Nifty either below gap down, or if I get a sell candle somewhere within this range. So if it gaps up above yesterday's high, then probably even shorting won't work. So it needs to be in the opening inside yesterday's range or gap down for me to do a trade today, and I will do that only after seeing a negative candlestick pattern. So I hope this was useful, and I wish you a great trading day. Have a great day ahead.